Hello viewers, welcome to EQ International Magazine, India's oldest and leading solar media. And today we have Mr. Bhupendra Singh with us from Dash. A very warm welcome to EQ, sir.
Thank you so much.
Sir, can you just let us know about Dash, like how it came into the solar industry and from like when you are serving into the solar industry itself?
So thank you first of all EQ Mag. So we Dash PV Technologies Limited are 7 years old company, and we are the global #1 non-Chinese integrated junction box manufacturer. We started our journey in 2017, and since then we have been adding our capacities of junction box. Today we are 32 gigawatts installed capacity. We are also doing the DC connections which are used between solar module and the inverter. So that's all about us.
That's great, sir. And if we talk about this REI 2024, so what are your offerings for this year?
So in this REI, ma'am, we have actually we are a futuristic company, and we are actually prepared for the next generation products. So in REI we have launched our 35 amps junction box rating junction box. We have also launched 2000 volt junction box as well as connectors.
So if you can just elaborate more about its technology, how it works.
So when we talk about the junction box rating, basically it is depending on the module ISC. So what we feel that as we are the power rating is going up, and the ISC rating also with the G12 cells and bifacial cells, the ratings are also going up. So hence we are preparing ourselves for future, and that's why the diode rating which is getting inside the junction box is also increased, so that it can last for 35 amps higher current rating. So this product is basically going to cater to that.
That's great, sir. And if you can just share the roadmap of the pricing and as well as the ranges.
Expansion. Yeah, so thank you so much. So as I said that today we are already global #1 non-Chinese integrated manufacturers. Now we are coming up with the gigawatt factory in the Karnataka state, wherein we are going to produce 50 gigawatt of solar junction box. Along with that, all the plastic components, we are also doing our own injection moldings. Plus, now we have launched we'll be doing ourselves 1000 kilometers per day DC cables, as well as the diode which will be indigenized. We'll be producing 1.2 million diodes per day. So this is our expansion plan, which will be completed within say 1.5 years maximum from now.
That's great, sir. And if we talk about the solar industry, the solar market, so how you see to it, like how it's like seen to you for 2024 and 2025 about the if in terms of growth and all.
So India is definitely solar is definitely a sunrise industry. India is definitely expanding. When we talk about the manufacturing, the module capacity, I'm sure by next year this time would be 110 plus gigawatt. And as a company, we are already geared up to cater to those requirements. As far as demand goes, I'm sure the deployment side, if you see, by next year, this year we are targeting around 25 to 30 gigawatt. Next year, the deployment is definitely going to be between 35 to 40 gigawatt. Plus, as a company, we are also targeting the exports, so that our complete capacity is utilized.
As you said, for exports, so if you can just share, let us know about the export market, like how it's likely for 2024 and 2025.
So currently, you see, we have a portfolio. We have a 3 to 5% exports only. We actually participated in RE Plus last month. We do have our plans to, we are also evaluating manufacturing in other countries, and of course USA happens to be the major market for us. And definitely next year it is going to be between 20 to 30% exports.
Thank you so much, sir. It was nice talking to you. Thanks a lot for being with us.
It's an absolute pleasure. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, sir.